Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 403. So let's get started. Now if you cannot solve this, hope that this will help you. So first is to go ahead and on our, let's just exit this Roblox, and then first is to tap your search bar and look for run. Tap on it and make sure that you will open this app data and percentage. Now tap on your Roblox app and then you will see this file. Now make sure that you will uninstall and reinstall back this on your PC. Now you can just type in any browser that's available, download the Roblox from any platform that's available for you. So just tap download now and wait for it to be available on your PC. You may also restart and try to see if it works. Now, if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.